Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine, friends. Well friends, today I have got for repairing Meyer sound. This is the subs amplifier module for subs 2100 LFC model. 2100 LFC. So this is the amplifier module for that one. So the customer complains that there is no power getting on. So let's check what is the power issue in this. Okay, we'll put it on and check what is the problem. So guys, I connected here. I put it on. So there is no power light. Okay, so let's check what is the issue in this. We'll open the bottom cover and we'll check. Okay guys, so guys, I have removed all the screws, so we'll open the top cover. So we'll apply power one more time. Okay, so guys, I have applied power. See, this is the input power line. It's coming. See. Okay, power is coming, but there is no any. So there is this light. The power should get on, and here must get light. LED light on should be there. So there is a problem. So let's check what is the issue. So guys, I have noticed there is a problem. Something burn over here. You can see. See here, I have seen something burn over here. See. You can see. So burn. This is this is actually high voltage switcher for offline SMPS. Low power offline. This is high voltage switcher for low power offline SMPS. So this is badly burned. See, it is removed the one part. You can see. So this is offline switcher. So we need to replace this one with the new one. So it is showing some shorting. So we'll check the ohms also. So guys, finally we'll replace this one. This is 1076 is the number. So we'll replace this high voltage switcher, this one, so with the new one. So after replacing, because this is burned already, you can see. Okay, so the number is 1076. So we'll replace this with the new one. So and we'll check what is the status. So guys, I got the new one. So we'll replace this. So guys, I have got the new one. So we'll replace this with the new one now. So we'll check what is the status then. So here is the one. So we'll remove this one and fix this one. Okay guys, so this is the new one. So we'll change this. So guys, we have cleaned this one, fan. Okay, so we'll clean the fan over here. Okay, and fan over here also. So now we'll start replacing this part. So we'll desolder this part and we'll replace with the new one. Okay, so guys, I have removed this one. So we have removed this part. Now we'll replace with the new one. Okay, so guys, we have fixed the new one. See. Okay, and this is the old one. This is the old one. Okay, and we fix the new one. So this is the high voltage switcher. That's why some piece is not getting on. So now what we'll do, we'll give the input power supply, and we must if the power supply is okay, our this all LEDs must be on here. These are the all power LED, so this should get on. Okay guys, so let's give the input power and we'll check. So guys, we have fixed that high voltage switcher for SMPS. This is the one. So now it's time to switch it on. So I'm connecting this to input power, so we'll put it on now and check what is this. So guys, put it on. I put it on. Power comes. See, power comes. So it's on. So we'll check front side now. So it's on. See, fan also moving. So we'll check from side front panel. So guys, now what we will do, we'll connect to the direct to the speaker and we will check. So now our power supply is okay, as you have seen. Okay, so now what we will do, we'll connect this to direct speaker, sub speaker. So then we'll check it out. So now we'll put it off now. I put it off. Okay, now we'll connect to the speaker.
So guys, we'll give the input power. So we'll put it on now. So we'll check if this light indicates, yellow light is blinking, it's stable, then it means that it's okay now. So if it keep on blinking yellow light, so then there will be problem. So now it is okay. So it is stable now. So our green light is stable. So it means it is okay now, our power supply. So guys, we have repaired it. So thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon next video. Okay guys, bye.